There's a dragonfly trying to fight with it. Please don't, because you'll be shredded into... Oh! That means if you make a mistake, you can switch to 6G immediately. That dragonfly has death wish. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Greetings, alishanmao here. Welcome to a new spot closer to where we used to barbecue, but that spot is gone, so we moved here. Well, good area to fly helicopters. Lots of grass here, so if you crash, possibly more chances of survival. Speaking of helicopters, let's take a look at the new Eachine E150 that many have requested me to make a review of. So here it is. Right here, this is your Eachine E150 Mini 3D RC helicopter with dual direct drive motors. Once again, direct drive motors is the way to go nowadays for 3D helicopters. Now before we continue, those who are wondering about how big is this, well, I brought my M2 and M1 as well for size comparison. So I'm just gonna fold these blades and bring my M2 to this side, set them up nose to nose, and you can see it's much smaller in the length compared to M2, right? And when you bring M1 in nose to nose, M1 is slightly smaller, I would say, just the length or, you know, the size of motor on the E150 that is out, so it's tad smaller. Now I'm gonna put them this way, and now you can see easily from top. E150 is somewhere in between M1 and M2. I'm gonna give you a closer look and quickly talk about what I see here, okay? So once again, direct drive X2507 800 kV motor, and then we have the tail motor. Looks like 8000 kV to me. That's the tail motor. So both direct drive. Canopy design, I would say, looks beautiful with red, yellow, and blue. I hope they can release more different types of canopies. Now, let me just remove it. Here's a heart and soul. The FBL system. DFC FBL system. And it has a built-in S-Bus and DSMX receiver support. That means you have to install, you know, connect your receivers. So if you look at here, there are two ports right here, DSMX and S-Bus. Should you want to connect your other radios with it, you can use S-Bus and DSMX. Also, there are 3 dials that you can use to quickly adjust the sensitivity of swash plate and tail gyro, and also level the swash plate. That's what the user manual says. It has a built-in SFHSS, you know, receiver, because as you can see, the Eachine E6 radio control, which is running SFHSS protocol. So if you have a Futaba radio, like I do, Futaba 14SG, you can easily bind it to your Futaba radio, configure it, and start flying. Metal Gear digital servos and high-speed servos, that's what they advertise. They also said they have improved the main rotor head design, okay? And also you can see a lot of metal right here. Swash plate is CNC metal, whole main rotor head is metal, the spindle is also metal, and down here you have more metal parts where the motor is actually installed. So what I'm looking here is a kind of modular approach, so the repair should be very, very easy. Should you break some parts, you can easily repair them. I mean, replace them. The replacement of those parts should be very, very easy. Carbon fiber frame and nylon landing skids. I'm happy they didn't give carbon fiber, because carbon fiber breaks, as you can see right here on my M2. It's broken, but this should not break. Carbon fiber frame looks very nice and minimalistic, simple, so should be, as again I said. Ooh, check this out. Xiaofeng brought so many helicopters today. Xiaofeng is the oldest helicopter pilot in the town. I'll be shooting some of his videos today. All right, so yes, again, as I'm saying, the modular approach right here is good, and repairs and replacement should be very, very easy on this helicopter. Okay, so first off, I'm just gonna fly it with you know, the E6 radio control for the sake of this review. And once this review is done and helicopter survives, I will actually switch to Futaba. All right, so let's get this baby ready and bring it in the air. Before we go, it's using 11.1 volt 500 milliamp 30C LiPo batteries. Yes, let's fly it and let's try not to crash it. Okay, we are ready. Here we go. Goes nothing. Let's see how Eachine E150 flies. I'm not very good with this radio, and kind of, you know, I would say at cheapish side. Does the job, but let's see. Not much used to this thing. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, here we go. Already this much head speed. By the way, this is an RTF version, so I haven't touched any of the settings, okay? It's just flying on total stock settings as it came out of the box. And I dare not touch settings in this radio, though it's tweakable. You can do tweaking and stuff, but I'm not used to. In 6G mode, really nice and stable. If you control the throttle, gives you a lot of time to think and react. But again, if they advertise it for beginners, I would say, well, beginners of 6-channel helicopter people, not complete beginners, okay? Complete beginners, still, I would say no. So that is 6G, and this is 3D. Okay, the response is not where I want, but at the moment I just want to do a little bit of flip-flop. There's a dragonfly trying to fight with it. Please don't, because you'll be shredded into 1,000 pieces probably. Yeah, very good punch, man. Ah, my thumb is slipping from the sticks, man. Don't come here. Come back here. I'm really not used to this radio control. So I'm probably not gonna do too much of 3D because I'm slipping, man. I mean, my thumbs are literally slipping from those sticks. At some load, the motor tends to slow down. I mean, the RPMs will drop, of course. Oh, new helicopter, don't crash it. I think that's more than enough 3D. Oh, you can switch back to 6G during flight. That's nice. That means if you make a mistake, you can switch to 6G immediately. Right, okay. 3D and 6G, oh sorry, 3D, inverted. I am inverted, I am inverted, I am inverted, and I'm gonna switch to 6G and it automatically comes back to level flight, which is nice, nice. So that is like a rescue switch right here, people. Very stable in 6G, and 3D is very, very nice. I mean, I'm not used to this radio, so I'm not gonna pull more. I don't want to crash it. I would probably wait and, you know, set it up with Futaba and then do some more stuff on it. Good flight times. I'm flying how long? Still doesn't show any degradation of power. Maybe the battery is about to die, but that dragonfly has death wish. Look how she's chasing this thing. Okay, I feel like I'm losing power. Look at that dragonfly. It really have death wish, man. So let's save the dragonfly and land this helicopter. Me likey. Nice. So next I want to set it up with Futaba and you know, do some more stuff. Thank you very much for watching this flight. I hope you like it, and if you like Eachine E150, link is in video description. Not for beginners, once again. Not for beginners. You got to have some skills to fly this one. In 6G mode, yes, it is stable, but it's still, I would say, beginners of collective pitch maybe, but not total beginners. Have fun, give this video a big like, stay subscribed to my channel, and stay tuned for more videos coming your way.
Come on, you know what to do. Hit that like button, it's right there. I know you can do it. Oh, while you're at it, also hit the subscribe button right there. Come on, don't be shy, just hit it. Thank you very much for all your support towards my work, that I post regular and fresh content on my channel just for you. Hit that like button right